Congratulations on your decision to install a radon mitigation system. This permanent addition to your home adds value and is the best way to protect your family from the dangers of radon. This video provides a brief overview of what to expect on installation day, including what is a radon system, where it can be installed, and what ongoing maintenance will be needed. On install day, our certified technicians will greet you at your door and introduce themselves. They will then ask you to walk them through your home so they can determine the best location to permanently install the system. The location is carefully selected based on your home's layout to best hide it while also achieving the best performance and following national standards. Once the location is determined, the technician will review the plan with you, get your approval, and get to work installing the system. Most systems can be installed in under half a day. Now let's look at how your system will be installed. Here's the basic layout of an exterior radon mitigation system, where the piping originates inside the home in the lowest level and then transitions outside to exhaust the radon gas above the roof line. First, a suction pit is created under the home. This is where the system captures the radon gas from beneath your home's cement slab before it can even enter into the house. The suction pit is created by drilling a perfect circular hole through the cement floor of the home's lowest level. Then we remove enough material underneath the slab to create a suction pit. Don't worry, the pit is air and watertight and does not compromise the integrity of your slab or foundation. Next, a special PVC bushing is glued into the hole to hold the piping and ensure an airtight seal between the home above and the suction pit below. One of the key advantages of having Utah Radon Services install your system is the clean way we cut the hole and how the pipe is permanently installed into it. We use diamond-tipped, dustless, wet core drills and a special PVC bushing to ensure a leak-free connection. Many other companies will just jackhammer a rough hole, put the pipe into the pit, and caulk around it, hoping it won't leak. Now that the suction pit is created with the pipe installed, we need to get that pipe all the way up to roof level in a way that both looks and fits best for the home. The two most common piping routes are exterior and interior. For an exterior radon system, a pipe is run from the suction pit in the lowest level and then routed through an exterior wall to the outside of your home in the least visible area possible. Next, outside the home, the radon fan is connected down low to the pipe. The fan creates a vacuum, continuously drawing radon and other soil gases from beneath the home and venting them outside. Above the fan, either PVC piping or rain gutter downspout connects to the fan and routes the gases to above the roof line, where the radon gas quickly mixes with the outside air. For an interior radon system, a PVC pipe is secured to the floor bushing connected to the suction pit, and the pipe is routed up to the attic and out through the roof. This route is carefully selected to be as hidden as possible and can pass through your garage, or hidden space in the walls, or even a closet. Next, the radon fan is connected to the pipe in the attic to create a vacuum to draw the radon and other soil gases from beneath your home. From here, the piping routes from the fan out through the roof to vent the gases outside. A standard waterproof roof jack is installed around the pipe as it goes through the roof to ensure a permanent leak-free installation. Exterior and interior radon systems are both equally effective, and both include our proprietary sound reducer to minimize air and fan noises as much as possible. Our technician will determine and recommend which type will be used based on your home's layout, and you always have final approval on where the system will be installed. Your radon fan never shuts off and needs to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to ensure your radon levels remain low. Surprisingly, leaving the fan always running will actually increase the lifespan of the fan. Don't worry, the radon fans we install are very energy efficient and cost only a few dollars per month to run. A simple airflow gauge called a manometer is installed on the pipe near the suction pit to display that air is actively flowing through the radon system. It does not measure radon levels. It's important to occasionally check the manometer to ensure that the system is still running. Some customers choose to perform this visual check at the same time as they change out their furnace filters so they don't forget. When the radon system is running, the liquid in the manometer should be uneven with one side higher than the other. This means that the fan is working in vacuuming radon gas from under your home's foundation and out through the system. If the liquid is even on each side, then air is not flowing and the system is not operating correctly. First, check to ensure that the flexible tubing is still securely installed at the top of the manometer and that the other end is firmly attached to the PVC pipe. Next, check to make sure that the system is either plugged in or switched on. Also check for a flipped breaker or any tripped GFCI outlet that may be powering the fan. If these are not the issue, contact us to schedule a service appointment. Finally, the EPA advises either owning a continuous radon monitor or retesting your home for radon every 2 years. This will ensure that your radon system continues to be effective in keeping your radon levels safe. Radon mitigation systems save countless lives each year and are the most effective and affordable way to ensure your family's safety. You can now breathe easy knowing that with your radon mitigation system installed by a trustworthy company, your family is safer from the dangers of radon. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team at utahradonservices.com or call us at 801-871-0715.